It's Black and Six here, and I'm recording right now. And I just got a bunch of new friends, and I just want to walk around. I got a new suit too. I got in I'm in what is it called? I think it was Yappy's chill spot. I know it had in it, but I don't remember his name. I'm gonna go teleport. Sorry about the noise in the background. It's my brother watching a video. You know. Well, I got him. Hi guys. I wanna some rubber. I would need that, but I just like collecting it. So, ooh, there's some cotton. Let me go get that. I can't reach it. Go get it. Yes, go get that cotton. Ooh, I got an experience point. That's a cubit, and when I collect cubits, I could buy some things with cubits, and that's basically how they work. They're like money. Like, if I get 8 cubits, I get to have a critter suit. How cool is that? So, I'm getting cotton right now. I have 3 cotton. I'm swimming. Ew. I love swimming. Ooh. Is that tar? No, this is not tar. What's this? What is this? Soil. Ooh, I could put soil back too. Oh, never mind. It was holding there for a second. That's cave wall. I think. No, it's mountain. It's mountain. And so, I'm having a great time. And, ooh, this is a volcano. There's a volcano. Let me scream volcano. 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 Why does it take so long for my thing to load? Wow. I can see them. First you want 20, then 30, now 50. Lol. This is lava. Lava. You could take lava from it. You could do whatever with it. You could just take lava. You just take it. Oh, don't scare me. That is a real boss. Trying to not get scared by it. Don't you know you can make lava? How? No, I want to take it. Take it off. Lava doesn't spill. Ooh, you put stone blocks in it and it makes lava. I'm gonna just tell them it's cool. Cool. I can't reach that. Yeah. Yeah. This is bad. I don't want to be risking my life to try and get all this lava. Well, I look stupid with tut. Well, I don't even know what a tut is. Wait, let me ask him. What is a... What is a tut? What is a tut? Oh, okay. I'm just gonna... Okay, so I'm gonna go explore more. There's a rubber tree down there. I'm gonna go collect some rubber. And that's a tree. Just pull it right off. Anyway, look up here. Anyway. Okay, so anyway, what's this down here? I'm gonna go collect some of that. Ooh, I saw some of these. No, I wanna collect. Oh, do I have to take the water? So I have to take the water. Not water. Near. I want to do that near shore because they're easier to get to. Well, the water's not going away. I have to fix my ground a little. Yappy. That's his name, Yappy. Okay, so I think I should end this video here, guys. I'm not sure, but so I think I should end it here. So, guys, bye, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.